Hey, Thomas here, Bear behind the camera, and we are back for another Orange Tag Days vehicle. We have an awesome 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. It's got the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. Beautiful truck. As you can see, already got the running boards installed, so you know, if you're a little shorter, easier to step up into. It's got the soft top tonneau cover already in there, and on the back, as you can see, it has a trailer tow package installed too, so you don't have to worry about getting that done. Backup camera with it, and the spray-in bed liner, so all of that is already taken care of. Next, we're going to jump inside, see what features are in there. And we're back inside the Dodge Ram. So as you can see, lots of features in here. You have dual USB, USB-Cs, already tow-haul mode on there, and the trailer brake control here. Up into your touchscreen, you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you have all your wireless calling, all of that fun stuff. Heated seats, heated steering wheel for those cold winter days. Obviously, all your four-wheel drive control here with the shifter. Hands-free calling here, cruise control here. And this truck only has 69,000 kilometers on it. This is a hell of a deal. Come on down 730 Brown Road, take it for a test drive, or give us a call, 306-955-5080. We'll see you soon.